How to fix Block Blast Revive not working. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to fix Block Blast Revive not working. So let's say you were playing this Block Blast and suddenly you messed up in the middle of your game and you want to kind of rewind the game. As you can see, whenever you messed it up like this and you want to try to rewind your game, then in that case what you might want to do, and so first what you can do is just check out your internet connection and see if it's working or not correctly. So if it's working correctly, and then it's okay, but if it's not working, try to use different networks or even use mobile data if you want. And once you do that, just close down your application just like this and try to restart the application. And if it's still not working, then what you can do is just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for Block Blast just like this and try updating the application itself if there's any updatable available, due to which it fixes the bug in the application itself. And now simply tap on play to restart the game, and just like that your game should now work correctly and there should be no issue regarding reviving Block Blast. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.